Hello guys, morning. So this is a VM I am using. So in VirtualBox. So let me log out this mission. Uh, I use like this to log out. Okay. This is not working. I think earlier it used to work. Oh my god. So let me restart simply. Very nice wallpaper, right? In the lock screen, not the desktop wallpaper. It is the lock screen. So what we can do is I will just I like this wallpaper. So let me uh, take a backup of this wallpaper so that I will use in as my desktop background, because every time the Windows 10 mission, every time it will sync from the internet and download the latest wallpapers, and some or other day tomorrow they might replace it also. So that's why if you go to, I will show you the location of where exactly it shows. Type Windows plus R, it will open run. Then type local app data or percentage local app data percentage. This is an environment variable, so that will open it directly, this folder. In this one you saw this uh, packages, right? Open that. So in this one, go to a folder Microsoft Windows content delivery, something like that folder name, under content delivery manager underscore some random value they mentioned. Just open that. If you go to, in this one you have this local state. In this assets these are so many files, right? But uh, these are with the different file names, no extensions or nothing. It's file, it's not a jpg files or like that. So copy all of, control A will select all of them, control C will copy that. Just create one more folder. Let's keep the name as temp and double click, it will open here. So now here you type control V or right click paste anything. All those files I copied here. Now what you will do is I want to change all of them. So let me change one of the file and add the extension as .jpg. Now open that. Some icon came. Definitely it might not be the uh, bigger size wallpaper, but some icon came. So similarly, take one more, add jpg to that one. Now the type change to jpg, because all this comes with the extension here. Once I add the extension, it is recognized as jpg file, so I can directly open with images photo viewer, because when you type cmd and type assoc.jpg, you see it is a jpeg file. Open regedit, which is here, .jpg. You see the open with prog id, it is mentioned as jpeg file. So let's go to jpeg file. From here you open this shell extension, cls ready, images, image view, like that. So similar like that, some or other application will get associated to that one. So it's unnecessary to you instead of going both details into that one. Now what I want is individually I cannot change. It's like you see 42 items are there. How can I check for the wallpaper in this one by one like this? So that's why what I will do is uh, I will open command prompt here by typing cmd on that folder. It will open command prompt with temp as the same folder as working directory. Now rename star to star.jpg. So all the files, star means all the files will get changed, will be add to all the file names. At the end I am adding .jpg. Understood? Now you see, now you can keep it as large icons, and you can see for the icon wallpaper. Yeah, here we got, right? So some other wallpapers also there and some other icons also there, which you browsed in the internet, whatever the history is coming here. And what is this? More like so this is also a bigger size wallpaper. Like it's a mobile version. I think it's a portrait mode kind of it came. Uh, and this one, it's a full mode in a landscape manner. It came till the wallpaper is like this. It's nice. I will use this in my mobile wallpaper. This one. I will copy this. Maybe the truncated format. This one, this one, this one. These are like, and let's see this also. Let's see what is this. I don't like this that much. Very bright, unnecessarily. I'll take this only. And this is also somewhat okay. The coloring and all. I'll copy these two. And this mobile version also. The portrait kind of. Yeah. What is the size of this? 2.6. What I will do is I will create a repository on my name in the GitHub. I install GitHub on this machine. GitHub, Git I have installed. So in this temp folder, what I will do is I will delete all these things. I'll keep only these three, these four, and I will create a repository on this one. Right click, git bash here, git init, an empty repository is created. View hidden items. You see a folder is created. Now git add dot git commit /m. I want to give some message. 10 9 17 17 yeah, 17 9 2020 2020. Why I'm going to feature? Oh, I need to add this also. //global user.email. Mm, yeah, git commit with these messages. Now this is a local repository. What I will do is uh, I will create a repository online and I will sync this one there. Go to, I will create a new repository. I will keep it public so that you guys also can download these wallpapers which I will collect. Uh, my collection. Now copy this. Git remote origin. Yeah, git remote. Yeah. Now this URL I have linked as a remote link. Now we'll upload to that this repository there. So git push origin and the master branch. It will ask for the username and password. That's one for sure. Nice. Now refresh. Now see my wallpapers are uploaded here. If you click this, you can see the wallpaper. If you want to embed this to any website, you can link here also. This is not mobile version also. I think this is high resolution version. You can click on download and download those wallpapers. You see, these two are high resolution mobile versions, and this is a landscape version. But we need to scroll. Yeah. Whichever, you can just scroll and check which is which and all. Understood. So that's for sure. Let's see exactly what is the mobile version. 531 is the mobile version, right? I mean normal version. 531. Yeah, we can scroll here. Download. Save images. Desktop. 531. Let me keep latest .jpg. Open this. Yeah. Set as background. I can set as lock screen also if I want. Single. Yeah. So as I kept public, you can save this URL. I will keep this URL in the description also. And also, if you observe, I am using a different browser, not a Chrome only. This is a modified version of Chrome, uh, modified version of Google Chrome, called as Brave browser. What is the advantage of using this is a bit faster, as it has inbuilt functionality to block so many ads and from those websites unnecessarily which are coming. Other than that, you can enable some ads of this browser so that whenever you see those ads, if you enable with your permission, you will get paid for seeing those as Bitcoin. Understood? So I will keep my referral link for this Brave browser also, so that you guys can download, and also you will get benefits from here also as a mutual. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.